Chapter 10 Celebrations at School. Many functions are organized in a school. Children take part in all the functions. Parents are also invited in most functions. All teachers and students make these functions lively and successful. The school is beautifully decorated. The principal looks after all the arrangements. The students enjoy all the functions. 1. Independence Day. This day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. On this day, our country got independence from the British rule in 1947. It is celebrated throughout the country. All children and teachers take part in it. The principal hoists the national flag. National anthem is also played at this ceremony. The principal also gives speech. Sweets are distributed among the students and teachers. Many students sing the patriotic songs. Activity: Who hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi on Independence Day? 2. Republic Day. This day is celebrated on 26 January. On this day, our country became republic and adopted the constitution in 1950. Whole country celebrates this festival. The national flag is hoisted by the principal of school. Children sing patriotic song. Sweets are also distributed. The principal makes a speech and encourages students to work for the country. At the end, the national anthem is played. 3. Gandhi Jayanti. This is also a national festival. It is celebrated on 2nd October. It is celebrated as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was the father of the nation. He led the country to freedom. On this day, songs related to Gandhi ji are sung by the students on stage. 4. Annual Function. This function is celebrated every year. All students eagerly wait for this function. It is a cultural festival. Many students participate in various items on the stage. Parents are also invited in this function. Students sing songs and perform dances and drama items. A chief guest is invited on this occasion. He gives away the prizes and delivers a speech. He encourages the students to participate in such functions. 5. Annual Fete. This function is celebrated every year. This function lasts for the whole day. All students and teachers take part in it. The students organize various stalls with the guidance of teachers. All stalls have some games. These are very interesting games. Students bring their friends and parents. There is great rush. Students dance on the dancing floor. There are many stalls of eatables. In the evening, a lucky draw is held. Many prizes are distributed to the winners. The principal gives away the prizes. 6. Sports Day. This function is celebrated with great enthusiasm. All students and teachers take part in this function. It is held in the playground of school. Many games are held. Teachers also take part in games. Many funny games are also organized. Everyone enjoys them. A chief guest is invited. He is welcomed by the teachers of the school. He awards prizes to the winners in the end. He also makes a speech. A tea party follows the function. Activity: In which item did you participate in any function of the school? 7. Teachers' Day. This function is celebrated on September 5th. This function marks the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the President of India. He was a great teacher. He is remembered by all the students and teachers in India on this day. This function is celebrated with great love and affection. The students bring flowers for the teachers and greet them. Teachers feel honored by the love and affection of students on this day. Things to remember. 1. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. 2. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. 3. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. 4. Students enjoy the annual function. 5. Many stalls are organized on the annual fete. 6. All teachers and students take part in games on Sports Day. 7. Teachers' Day is celebrated as the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.